free Porsche giveaway. Yes, one of you all will be winning this Porsche for free.
How does it feel? I love it.
Free Porsche.
You ready to drive it?
I am.
And not only do you win a car, you get to drive some cool cars.
What's going on, JR Garage? So obviously, title and thumbnail, you guys see that correctly. Our giveaway winner, Josh, is coming to pick up his free Porsche today. Super excited, can't wait to show him the car and see his reaction to getting the car for the first time, and that's gonna be super duper fun.
But it's definitely bittersweet because we really love that car. Had a lot of great videos with it on the channel. I'm sure you all will be sad to see it go too, but yeah, hopefully it'll live on Josh's channel.
Yeah, it's going to a good home, that's for sure. So he'll show up in about an hour or two, but before he shows up, we're actually having lift installers show up. Lifts? Yes, finally putting in lifts. We heard you guys loud and clear. Why don't you have a lift? Why are you working on jack stands? Why don't you just get a lift?
I think it was a fantastic suggestion because it is going to make our lives very easy, allow us to tackle bigger and badder project cars. So we've really been looking forward to this. And perfect timing because you all might have noticed a few cars missing from the channel for a while, and that's because a few of our cars are left in Virginia and they just arrived on the transporter.
Yeah, if you guys have been staying tuned to our Instagram, you would know that the Bentley, update coming very soon, the M3, the OG 944 Turbo, and
a mystery car.
And a mystery car, which is right, oh, there you go, you got a little glimpse. Another little fun car that we picked up. 4 more cars here now. So yeah, we desperately need these lifts, and not just a 2-post service lift to help Christian out greatly for when he's working on cars. The amazing people over at BenPack saw our struggle, and they said, guys, we're gonna help you out with transforming your warehouse. We got the 2-post coming, and we got the 4-post double wide 2-car storage.
So I'm already envisioning a awesome 2-car storage lift right here, and then a 1-car service lift over there.
So those are the 2 lifts we went with. We are so hyped to get them up and installed. Today's kind of just, they're like measuring it out, marking the spots where they're gonna drill the holes, things like that. We'll throw that into a little edit of some sort, but it's perfect timing because now that the cars are here from Virginia, we are going to do one of the most highly requested videos, a full garage tour of all 20 cars that we have. It is time we get lifts, and BenPack is definitely coming in clutch. Let's get to it. Let's get this day going. Here we go. Wow, those lifts are really looking good, and they should be fully operational here very soon. But I'm sure you guys are wondering, what car are we giving away next? Are we doing another free car giveaway, etc.? So Christian and I talked about it, and we are 100% indeed doing another free car giveaway. Yes, a giveaway where you don't have to give us a penny, you don't have to buy anything from us, you don't have to donate anything, nothing. You can enter for free. One of the steps is definitely gonna be to follow us on Instagram. So if you haven't done that from the last giveaway, then go ahead and do that at JR Garage. We'll be filling you in on more details there, as well as here on YouTube. We're still hashing out all the specifics, but we're pretty sure we know what car we're gonna be giving away. And that, of course, is the C5 Corvette. You guys have seen this build go down on the last few videos. You guys are absolutely loving the video content, and a lot of you are saying that that should be the next giveaway car. So we're 99% sure we're gonna be giving away the Corvette. Something could change, we may switch it up. I don't know if it's gonna be when we hit like 1.5 or 1.25 million subscribers, or whether we hit some other milestone. It'll be at some point in the near-ish future, but just want to let you guys know that that's the car we're giving away. But definitely start by following us on Instagram at JR Garage. Stay in the loop of when this giveaway is going down, what you need to do to enter, all that good stuff. So also, before I forget, last video we were giving away a free white JR Garage hoodie to a random commenter. Well, we picked that random comment and the person never came to collect the hoodie. So I'm gonna do another giveaway on this video. All you have to do is leave a like on this video and drop a comment. I'll be randomly selecting a comment, announcing it on Instagram within 48 hours for a free white JR Garage hoodie. So show some love down below. Anyway, let's get back to it. Let's go meet up with Josh and give away this Porsche. Here we go. Okay guys, just like that, Josh just texted me. He's out front of the building, I think. So I'm gonna go grab him. I'll be back in a second, and then we'll show him all around the warehouse, see what he thinks of the cars, and then we'll get showing him the Boxer for the first time, which is parked right outside. Let's go.
All right, here we are.
So, made it to the warehouse. Guys, this is Josh, the winner of the free Porsche. We've never met before, this is the first time, but I'd be happy to show you around the warehouse.
Yeah.
And then we'll get messing around with the Porsche. So
I can't wait.
Let's do it, come on.
All right.
So of course, we gotta start with one of the craziest cars in the garage, the twin turbo Lambo. What do you think of this?
I love it. I think it's crazy what you've done to it. The color, iconic for Lamborghini.
And of course, one of the best parts.
The gated
The
manual
beautiful gated manual transmission.
with carbon fiber bucket seats.
Yeah, this thing's pretty crazy here. Let me pop the, of course, the recently completed, just got the bumper on. There she is, the heart of the beast, Mama. Twin turbo V10, a little different than the Porsche, but
They're both Volkswagen Auto Group.
yeah, amen. That's what I'm talking about.
Baby Gallardo. Just kidding.
Yeah, they're one and the same. Yeah, this is definitely a cool one. The weather's not too permitting with us outdoors, so I don't know if we'll be able to get it out, but regardless, next time you come probably, you definitely take us for a spin, but this is the craziest.
For a spin, this thing goes for rips.
Okay, for a rip, I like that. I saw you eyeing the McLaren, so let's check that out. You roomy in there?
I can get used to this.
Roomy, that thing is a cockpit.
Okay, yeah, it does feel like you're in a fighter jet or something. So let's just get out to the Boxer, get driving it, and you can check out your car for the first time.
Awesome, let's do it.
Okay guys, so we made it into the Porsche for the first time. We're headed off to lunch, and then we'll be back to do the final handoff and you drive it for the first time. I'm gonna drive it since I know where I'm going, and I wanna do a little interview style with Josh while I have him and ask him some questions, but first startup, here we go.
Oh.
Nice rumble.
Throaty.
Okay, so for starters, you flew in like, last night? Talk about that, because that was a mission getting here. You're not from
That was
2 hours away.
I wish. Just finished third semester at school.
Ooh, nice.
And I went to go see my dad for Thanksgiving, or not Thanksgiving, Christmas break. And he's 7 hours away in Spokane, Washington. So it was a 7.5 hour drive in the S4 down to the airport. And then plane landed eventually at like midnight. We're supposed to get here at like 11. It was a long day.
But he's here now, and we coordinated it, you know, because I guess it was over a month ago that, you know, we announced that you won the car.
Yep.
And we can assure you, we still do not know each other. Like I said in the first video, today's the first day we've ever met. And so talk about that a little bit. Like, it was crazy because we randomly selected the number. As you guys know, you've seen that video. It was number 150. And the first like 400 or 500 people on that list were all the people who reposted us on their story. That was a way to get like a bonus entry, I said.
Right.
And everything was free to join.
Yeah, so I just finished class, got home, and was just waiting around for my next class to start. So I was just chilling.
Yeah.
And one of my friends on Instagram from one of my Audi groups posted on his story.
Yep.
And I was like, well, I could do the same thing, and I did. And so a few days came by, you sent me the DM saying, we need your number for tracking info on the shirt you want. And I was like, cool. And then I thought to myself, a little weird you need my number, because I'm like, I can just text you my address. And I almost did it, I almost left it at that. But I was like, all right, yeah, whatever, I'll send you my number. And then you called me the next day. You know, just a little quick intro, how you doing?
Yep.
And then you announced I won the car, and I lit up.
You won the free Porsche.
No freaking way. Are you serious? I won the Porsche.
Yeah, if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out, link down below. But that's when I announced it to him, and then we've just been coordinating a time for him to come down. Finally had some time off. Winter break, of course, it's just after Christmas here, so
Perfect time.
Everyone's got a week off, and you came down, and we were in town, so it worked out, and here we are. You'll be on your way here. You're going to San Diego
tomorrow morning.
Ooh, boy, this will be fun. Yeah, you did
Those pops.
Fly by Christian in the BMW.
Show 'em what's up.
just gotta make sure I don't break anything, but this is my last time driving it. Had to do one acceleration.
Dude. Do everything you need to. I'm having the time of my life.
It's my last acceleration. I'll miss you, Porsche. Definitely shines in the twist. It's decently quick.
It does.
It's not a fast car, but it's light, so it doesn't need a whole lot of power to move.
Power to weight ratio is a lot better.
Yeah, it moves it along. So you were looking into buying a Porsche at one point, right? Like
a little bit.
Like
so as I was shopping for my S4, love Audi, but Porsche's what got me into cars, so I gotta stick to my roots.
Yep.
So I shopped around for Boxers a little bit because you can find them dime a dozen. They're not too expensive.
Yeah.
Then I saw the S4, and that was like super good deal. So I'm like, all right, I'm jumping on the S4.
And the all-wheel drive, you meet up
had
in the
so much fun with that car.
in the snow weather. Oh, we're just happy it's going to a good home. I'll miss this sound. Just flat 6, man. It's our first and only flat 6 with that exhaust. Fab speed. You did a good job. It sounds heavenly.
Oh, it does.
All right, well, we'll grab lunch and then we'll swap, get his first impressions, and we'll get him on his way, or maybe go play with some of the other cars at the warehouse.
Well, I hope so.
Here we go. All right, guys, we're back from lunch. Lunch was good, and now you're in the Porsche for the first time.
I am.
How does it feel?
I love
Your
it.
free Porsche. It's been a while since you've driven a manual though, but
It's
it
been-
comes right back to you.
It's been
That's
quite
good.
a few months.
And who wants a Tiptronic Porsche? You gotta have a
Right?
manual. So what are you most excited for about the car?
Throwing my own gears. There's nothing like it. Love the
Oh.
exhaust.
Yep. Does sound good. Also, guys, Josh is filming some clips for his YouTube channel. You're gonna make a video talking about picking
I
up the
am.
car and the
Yep.
the journey down here and the journey back home to California. Sweet. So I'll link it down below. You're gonna post future videos with it too.
For sure. I've already got stuff lined up.
Ooh, he's got some mods, idea plans, and a few other things in mind for the car. So that'll be exciting for me to watch it live on, and you guys get to see it live on as well. So it doesn't just end here. So check out his YouTube channel. Give him a sub if you want to see more of this car and some stuff with the S4 that you got. So of course, since the lifts are going in soon, we have a whole bunch of cars out here. This should be fun. Christian's grabbing the key. All right. Steering lock. Steering lock? This is the wrong Ferrari key. Okay, we're laughing so hard. This is the epitome of first world problems. So I go to start it with the 458 key. What do you know? It doesn't turn. This is the black 458 key. You got the wrong 458 key.
I know.
Dude, not again. Let's try these keys. Take 2. Ah, there we go. It's working. Now we're in business. Drive it.
I am
Doing a little warming up. She's ready for you.
ecstatic.
This is a big bonus in the giveaway. Not only do you win a car, you get to drive some cool cars too. Here we go, all aboard. Here she is. Okay. A little quicker shifts than the torque converter S4. Yeah, a manual 458 would be crazy and awesome, but the dual clutch is so good at the same time.
Yeah,
Handling.
Dude, handling is amazing.
The steering is incredible. Check that off the bucket list. Oh, bro, the pops. Those pops are only on 2010 and 2011 cars. This has the factory tune, which gives you those pops. Oh, sounds amazing. Okay, so we got the 458 back in the garage. What'd you think of it?
I loved it. As I was saying, Lamborghini had my heart, but Ferrari is killing it.
Yeah.
It was fast. That dual clutch, it was quick.
Yep.
You get those pops and cracks off the exhaust when you downshift. It was heavenly.
Pretty nice, yeah. But there you go. So that was a fun day. Too bad the weather didn't help us out too much. It was so cold and rainy today, but that's all right. He'll be back another day. We'll grab some more content. But right now we're just racing off to the UPS store before they close because we need a notary to sign the title. So I'll put in some clips now of signing over the paperwork, but it's legit. I don't know how else to say it. Like, you're getting a title in the car at the end of the day.
Yeah, everyone's gonna say like, oh, they know each other. It's a scam. They're gonna keep the car. I mean, but there's haters. No matter what you do, where you go, someone's gonna hate. So.
Yep. And you didn't pay us a penny.
Nope. Other than I had to pay for my flights, but
Yep.
that's
it.
totally worth it. Dwarfs in comparison to the experience I've had here today.
But today, it is all worth it. It was great meeting you, great hearing, getting a feel for your enthusiasm in person. We could really tell that you'll really get a lot of good use out of the car, and hope that it continues on your YouTube channel.
Oh, it will for sure. It definitely will.
Thank you, Josh, for being the lucky winner and it magically just going to a good home. We're so happy. Stay tuned for the next video where we do a full garage tour with all 20 cars or more than 20. I don't even know how many we're up to. We lose track. So stay tuned for that. And hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Take care, Josh. Safe travels back.
Thank you.
right. See ya, Porsche. You were a good car. Go be good to Josh.
Saying that it feels right.